Good evening, sir. I, Mantasha Bishnu, will be briefing about my assignment on the network protocols. So, a protocol is a set of rules that govern the communications between a computer on a network. These rules include guidelines that regulate the following characteristics of a network, that is, access method, allowed physical topologies, types of cabling, and speed of data transfer. So, what is a protocol? Basically, a protocol is a controlled sequence of messages that is exchanged between two or more systems to accomplish a given task. Protocol specifications define this sequence together with the format or layout of the messages that are exchanged. And about the common types of protocols, the Internet Protocol is used in concert with other protocols within the Internet Protocol suite, and prominent members of this include Transmission Control Protocol, User Datagram Protocol, Internet Control Message Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Post Office Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, and Internet Message Access Protocol. The other types of network protocols are Ethernet, Local Talk, Token Ring, FDDI, and ATM. About this we will be explaining in the next slides. About Ethernet. The Ethernet protocol is by far the most widely used. It uses an access method called CSMA or CD, the full form of which is Carrier Sense Multiple Access or Collision Detection. This is a system where each computer listens to the cable before sending anything through the network. The next, Local Talk. Local Talk is a network protocol that was developed by Apple Computer for Macintosh computers. The method used by Local Talk is called CSMA-CA, that is, Carrier Sense Multiple Access with Collision Avoidance. It is similar to CSMA-CD, except that a computer signals its intent to transmit before it actually does so. Local talk adapters and special twisted pair cable can be used to connect a series of computers through the serial port. Next, token ring. The token ring protocol was developed by IBM in the mid 1980s. The access method used involves token passing. In token ring, the computers are connected so that the signals travel around the network from one computer to another in a logical ring. A single electronic token moves around the ring from one computer to the next. FDDI. The full form of FDDI is Fiber Distributed Data Interface, and it is a network protocol that is used primarily to interconnect two or more local area networks, often over large distances. The access method used by FDDI involves token passing. It uses a dual ring physical topology. And next, ATM, the asynchronous transfer mode, which is a network protocol that transmits data at a speed of 155 Mbps and higher. It works by transmitting all data in small packets of a fixed size, whereas other protocols transfer length packets. It supports a variety of medium such as video, CD quality audio, and imaging. It employs a star topology which can work with fiber optics as well as twisted pair C. The benefits of these protocols are: communicating over network is a complicated task. Different hardware elements in the network need to be informed of the process in hand and instructed in their role. Each element has its own requirements and a set of format for receiving instructions. Both the sender and the receiver must communicate in the same language, and all the connecting hardware and software must be able to exchange control information. The benefits of using network protocols are that all these tasks have already been mapped out by someone else, and they have published their knowledge for others to share. Now, the needs. Human intercommunication, whether in pairs or larger groups, requires rules of conversation to function effectively. And so does computers. They are no different. Therefore, we need regulations and rules to how we communicate over a computer network. For example, to remote login, FTP, or email. The set of rules and regulations is called a protocol. Objectives: appreciate the role of measurement in building and maintaining high performance TCP and IP networks. Second, explaining the types of tools available for performance measurement. Third, familiarizing with freely available performance measurement and testing tools. And fourth, selecting an appropriate tool for a given task. The advantages: many computers from all the world can connect together because they are using the international standard. Second, easier maintenance and installation because we get the used on the standard. Disadvantages: number 1, problems occur in standards as there will be an international problem. Second, all companies and manufacturers must follow the standards instead of developing new techniques. Lastly, the conclusion. While the age old concept of the network is foundational in virtually all areas of the society, computer networks and protocols have forever changed the way humans will work, play, and communicate, forging powerfully into areas of our lives that no one had expected. Digital networking is further empowering us for the future. New protocols and standards will emerge, new applications will be conceived, and our lives will be further changed and enhanced. Thank you.